Students, welcome. In this video we will discuss design, its meaning and types. सब तो पहला सी मीनिंग डिस्कस करेंगे. प्रॉपर अरेंजमेंट ऑफ स्पेस विद डिफरेंट लाइन्स विद डिफरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स और थिंग्स that can be natural as well as artificial, composed in a beautiful manner is called design. The word design has been derived from the French word design, which means the idea represented by visible lines, a plane intended to be carried out for decorating the space, or the design may be defined in the arrangement of the lines giving the pleasing effect and material used, so that principles of proportions, balance and rhythm are observed. ਹੁਣ ਜਦੋਂ डिज़ाइन तैयार करना ਤਾਂ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਸਿਧਾਂਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਧਿਆਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਰੱਖਣਾ ਹੈ? proportion, balance, rhythm. The design is the repetition of the same form again and again to give out the sense of unity. There are several kinds of designs as center design, border design, baby prints, floral design, etc. The main classification of designs are as follows. First is natural design. Natural designs are those designs which are made up of the combination or use of various natural forms and figures. ਭਾਵ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਿ ਨੇਚਰ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਾਡੀ ਕੁਦਰਤ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਸੰਬੰਧਿਤ ਹੋਣ. ਫਾਰ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲ flowers, leaves, birds and animals, etc. In such types of designs, we almost draw a blueprint of natural things and use them in our design. These designs are widely used. Next is structural design. These designs are based upon size and shape of an object. This applies either to the object itself or a drawing of it set out on paper. In decorative design, the surface adornment of the structural design is above to be considered. Next is decorative designs, ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਡੈਕੋਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ. To make the structural design decorative with the help of different ornaments. There are two methods of applying ornaments. In the first, it is expressed in the form of color upon a plain surface, as in carpet or needlework, painting, wood or metalwork. By the second method, ornament is expressed by relief, as in wood carving, jewelry and metalwork. These are two methods to make a design decorative. Now, geometrical design. These designs are based on geometrical figures like the use of triangle, rectangle and various lines. In such designs, we can see various beautiful and effective use of lines. It is used for architectural purpose. Next is Varnatmic design. Varnatmic design. These designs show the detailed description of each and every part. These are very main type of design. These are used for furnishing different objects and articles, for example, pots, dresses and carpets, etc. Next is Alankaric design. Alankaric design. These are the designs in which we can show some modified forms of natural designs. These can be used for decoration purpose of cloths and textile. So it is also related with the commercial purpose. Abstract designs. In this type of design, there is no rules and regulations to be followed. ਭਾਵ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ free hand ਬਣਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ. There is no rule of space and form. These designs are made according to everybody's own choice. Dear students, इस वीडियो ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੰਨਾ ਹੀ. Have a nice day.